Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. To those who've been subscribed to this channel, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. And to those who are new, this channel is about business, fashion and lifestyle in Zimbabwe. So if you do like it here, please do not forget to click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell in order for you to be notified each and every time I post, and also do share my videos. It does help my channel grow, and we've been growing, guys. We've been growing. We are now about 900 subscribers, and thank you guys. Thank you. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoy this content. So without much further ado, let's move into today's business. You all know, if I'm seated down here, we are doing an unboxing because we unboxed together in this family. I haven't unboxed in a very long time. I think in 2 months, I guess, because I ordered these things 2 months back and I'm just receiving them today. Today is the what's the day today? I'll just put it on the screen. I've forgotten. I think it's the 7th or 8th. So I received these things today, and I ordered them on I think I ordered them end of March or beginning of April. I'll also just put the proper dates on the screen. So these type of things do happen when shipping agents face challenges, and there's nothing which I could do, and it's bad for business. I know, for those who keep asking, how is the clothing business like if you're shipping from China? Yeah, it's like this, guys. Sometimes you face a lot of downs, these past 2 months they have been just terrible, because I was failing to get my consignments, because again China has been facing another wave of coronavirus, and shipping agents have been really facing challenges. I don't know if it's only my own shipping agents, but yeah, I've received these things after 2 months, and these things were shipped by Fast Forward. So moving on, guys, from that, I did pay for these two, for only these two. Do you see? This is the package, and this, I did an unboxing for this on my shorts. I don't know if I'm going to upload this video first or for this, but then yeah, I think I'm gonna upload for this because it's a very short video first. So I paid about 60, I paid about $64 for the consignment. And yeah, guys, that's if you really want to start a business and you are not doing it the way I do it, because me, I order as per order, and also just a few things. Just make sure that you order as much as you can in order for it to be cheaper, and also to be less of an inconvenience. So starting off, these are just personal things. These are my son. I think this is this consignment is my son's winter clothes. I did buy him winter clothes, and so we're just going to unbox together and just see how the clothes look like versus the picture which we will be given on Alibaba. So let's do this. So yeah, like I said, it's clothes for my son. And the first outfit is this yellow, I don't remember what I really ordered. This 2 months back, guys. So it's this yellow outfit. It's a set. I did order a set. I think I ordered 2 colors in these, and I ordered sets. Oh, this is so light for winter, but then I ordered these for winter, as you can see. And this is a size, my son is quite big. He is turning 2 this month, and I did order a 3 to 4, because this is 110 centimeters. This is how it looks like at the back. So it's a set. The jacket is quite very light. Most probably I'm going to put something underneath for him to be warm. So this is the trouser. The trouser is quite cute and it's not as light as the jacket. The trouser is quite warm. It's a winter thing and it's not a see-through. As you can see, and it does come with what's this, a long shirt. As you can see, it's quite cute. It's quite cute. I think I ordered 2 of those. Yeah, I did. And this is the red one. Basically the red one is the same. It's similar to the one I just shown, to the yellow one. So I won't show you guys. I think I did give you a link and where I buy clothes for children. I did put the link on the other supplier thingy, but then I will leave the link where I bought these clothes just down on my description box. If you're interested in buying these, you can always go to Alibaba, on Alibaba site, and have a look. So the second outfit I bought, so my son is having a birthday, right? So I did try and find some things. Hey, these things are quite huge this time. I did try and find some clothes which he will wear for his photo shoot. So this is the other thing. It's a set again. It comes in with a jacket. As you can see, this jacket, it comes in with this. And the trouser. These are nice, guys. These are really nice. They just and the sizes, again, I bought 110 centimeters. You just have to check your son or your daughter's height, because most of the times on the Alibaba sites you have to choose the sizes using centimeters of how tall or how short your son or your daughter is. So I will leave the link down on the description box in order for you to see. So the next thing, okay, it comes in with a shirt as well. So most of these things come in with their sets. They move in sets. So that's the second thing which I bought, which is, I'm not complaining about the quality. It's okay. It's light. It's not for winter. Again, he has to wear maybe something warmer inside, maybe a pull neck or something, and also maybe a jacket on top if it's a very cold day. Again, Zim is not that cold, so it's still fine. He can wear these things. I think I also picked summer things. There's something which I liked, which was for summer. I think we picked this with the dad and we liked it very much. It comes in like this. It's a short, it's a jean short, it's a summer jean short and a shirt. We really did like this, but it's not written if it's 100% cotton. But most of their things I started buying from this company a long time ago. I think even washes baby clothes, and most of their baby clothes were written 100% cotton, but then these are not, so I'm not sure if they are. And then moving on to another set which I bought. Yeah, I also bought this because I thought it was nice. You know, you need your son to slay. I definitely want a washer to look good on winter. So I bought a whole lot of things which were warm, but at the same time they brought out the color, like they have color. as you can see, this blue thingy, this blue tracksuit, it's so nice. It has yellow, like there's yellow, the pockets are yellow and blue. They're actually very nice. I like this very much on the picture. The quality is not, it's not thick. You can always wear this summertime when it's a bit chilly. And again, for winter, he can always wear this and also just put on a jacket on top when it's very cold. So this is also just very nice. This is very nice. I like it. And then moving on to another set. Moving on to another set. Yeah, this set is, it's a sweater and it's a tracksuit. And so this is how it looks like. It's a red. Wash it does look good in red. And again, I bought most of these things. They are 110 centimeters because last time I bought his summer collection, I'll leave the link down on the description box. I bought 90 centimeters and those things are now quite short, 80 and 90. So as you can see, this is very soft, guys. The material is very soft and yeah, I cannot complain. They're actually nice. I think though, if it's very cold, I think you'll just have to put on like some leggings inside in order for him not to be very cold, and also some onesies in order for him, because the tracksuits are not very thick. They are quite thin. Moving on to, this is another color, guys. There's red and there's yellow, so I won't unbox this. It's the yellow one, but I'll just insert the picture of the yellow one just for you to see how it looks like. And then moving on to the next, to the last. Oh, actually I bought 2 of these. I think I'm just gonna remove the black one. I think I like the black one than the white one. So these are so nice. I liked these tracksuits. They have this Louis Vuitton situation happening. They're quite cute, as you can see. They're really nice. It's fashionable. It's a nice tracksuit for him to like I said, he's gonna have a photo shoot for his birthday this month, so I decided to just go all the way and buy him this. This looks very small. Was this 110? Oh, it's 100. I was supposed to buy 100 centimeters, but then it's still fine. I think it fits, but then yeah, he might use it until next year. Yeah, and then I also bought the white one. So yeah, this is about all what I bought for Washe. Yeah, and winter has already started, guys. This whole week was just very cold. Last week was starting to be very cold, so I was worried that these things won't get here in time, because I obviously wanted some of the stuff for Washe's birthday. So I'm just excited about all the things and what I'm going to like make Washe wear, because I normally just buy, I make sure that when we're going to summer, I buy Washe some, maybe a few outfits for summer, and I buy them from abroad. I think the jacket, I did do a small video again. I'll leave the link just down below, when I was just comparing the quality of the jacket and how it looks like, and it's so amazing. The jacket is very nice. I liked it. It's green. And so the shoes this year I didn't buy this, yeah, this winter I didn't buy him any winter shoes, because I did buy during summer some techies, but I might buy this side here in Zim. So guys, this is all that we had. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Till we meet on the next video, cheers, bye.